Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we are here to see one more question from strings, which is reverse string 2, where question number 541 from lead code. Let's see what the question says and all. Let's see that now. So given a string s and an integer k, reverse the first k characters of for every 2k characters, counting from the start of the string. So they have given us a string and also an integer k. This is the given string and this is the integer k. Now what I need to do is we need to reverse the first k characters for every 2k characters. So let's say if k is 3, we need to reverse 3 characters from first 6 characters. So let's say A, B, C, D, E, and F. So there, how many characters we have? We have 6 characters. So let's assume k value as 3. So k value is 3. So 2k is nothing but 2k is nothing but it is 6. So from this 6 characters, I need to reverse first 3, which means A, B, C should be reversed. So this should look like C, B, A, D, E, F. So if there are, I hope this is clear. So it's very simple. So they have given us a value of k. So we need to take 2k characters. 2k characters. So if k value is, for example, k value is 2, we need to consider 4 characters, and from that 4 characters I need to only reverse first 2. That's all. So let me take an example for you people. So let's take s equals to a, b, c, d, e, f, g, h, I, j, k, l, m. Okay, this is our string. Okay, where indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now let's move this accordingly. Okay, I hope this is visible to everyone. Now what we will do is, let's understand this one. So as you know, they have given us a k value also. Let's assume k value as 2. So 2 is the k value. So this is the given s and this is the given k value 2. So now what I need to reverse the first k characters of for every 2k characters. So what is the value of 2k, guys? What is the value of 2k? 2k will be equals to, I think, 4, right? Yes. So 4 characters. So for every 4 characters, I need to reverse first 2 characters. So for every 4 characters, we need to reverse first 2. For every 4 characters, we need to reverse first 2 characters. Okay, now if we see this one, now what will be the output look like? How your output will look like is, let me erase these things. Oh, wait. Okay. So now our output will be like A and B is reversed. So it will be B, A. And the remaining half will be same. C, D. Next E and F. It will become F, E. Okay, let me make it more simpler for you people. Let me type this down. So as you know, first 2 characters are A and B. So it will become BA and C and D will be as it is. Next E and F, FE. It will become FE. It will be reversed. First half will be reversed. And after that, remaining half will be same. And JI, K, K, L, M. So this is what should be the output is. Okay. I hope this is clear. Now let's jump into few more parts of the question. So if there are fewer than k characters left, so as you know, we might not have k characters every time. So then we should simply reverse all of them. Okay. So what they're saying is if we have k more than k characters, greater than k characters, only reverse k characters and remaining characters keep them as it is. If they are less than k, reverse all of them. That's all. Very straightforward thing. Nothing much here to discuss on. So if there are few characters less than, reverse all of them. If there are characters less than k, 2k, but greater than or equal to k, characters, then reverse the first k characters and leave them other as original. So the first point, I think it's very clear. So let's assume k equals to something like 3. Okay, but S is only having how many characters? Let's say A and B. Now, how many characters I have in my string S? I have only 2 characters, where length of the string is less than k value, where k value is 3. So in that case, what they're saying is reverse all of them. This is what they're saying. If there are few than key characters left, reverse all of them. If I have less than k, then reverse all of them. If there are less than 2k but greater than or equal to k. So what is 2k value here, guys? What is 2k value here in this? For example, for this example, it will be 6. Now let's assume A, B, C, D are there. A, B, C, D are there. Now how many characters I have in total? I have in total 4 characters. I have in total 4 characters. So now if you observe, 4 is greater than k, right? K value, which is 3 basically. 4 is greater than k, which is 3. But 4 is less than 2k. 4 is less than 2k. In this case, what they're saying is reverse the first half as it is. ABC will be reverse C, B, and A, and remaining D will be as it is. This is what they are saying. Okay. I hope the question is clear. Now let's jump into what exactly can be done. Okay. Now let's take a string A, B, C, D, E, F, and let's also take G. Now let's say the k value, let's take it as k equals to 2. What will be 2k, guys? What will be 2k? 2k value will be 4. 2k value will be 4. Okay. Now, as we know, for every 4 characters, which means this 4 characters, what I need to reverse? I need to reverse only first half. I need to reverse only first half. So first thing, for this 4 characters, I need to reverse first half. Next, I have only 3 characters. Even though if I have 3 characters, what should I do? I should reverse my first k characters. As you guys already know, first k characters, why we are reversing the first k characters? This point mentions if there are less than 2k but greater than or equal to k. Here k value is 2. My characters are 3 in this window. 2 is less than 3 is less than 4, where your characters are greater than 2 but less than 2k. Now what should you do? You should reverse the first k characters. So after reversing here, you need to jump to the next window. After this window is done, we need to jump to the next window. So every time I will go to, like if you take 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. After reversing these 2 characters, what should I do? I should jump to from 0th index to 4th index. After 4th index, I should go to next index. So on like this. For every window, I need to go. After going to window, what I need to check? I need to check whether I have k characters or not. If I have minimum k characters, what I can do? I can reverse those k characters. I can reverse those k characters. If not k, I cannot reverse k characters. I need to reverse the entire string. As you can see, if there are fewer than k characters left, then reverse all of them. So we need to do this part. So now let's jump into coding. So as we know, we cannot modify string in Java because string is immutable in Java. So let's convert it into character array. So char s1 equal to s dot to char array. And after that, now let's take an integer variable. So as we know, we need to reverse every k characters. So let's take a function for that. Public void reverse k. Why I have taken void is I want to modify this s1 as it is. I don't want to do any other thing. So I'll get 2 pointers I and j pointers, and I'll also get an character array S. As this is kind of reversing a string, guys, I need to reverse from like starting place to kth character. That's all. Now what I will do, while I less than j, I'll simply do char temp equals to s of I, s of I equals to s of j, s of j equals to temp I plus plus j minus minus. This is for reversing. And now what should I do? Let's take for int, let's take length of this array, int n equal to s dot s1 dot length, both are same. S1's length or s length is same. I equals to 0, I less than n, I. Every time I need to go to next window. So I plus equals to I equals to I plus 2 into k. I plus 2 into k. So let's make it simpler. Plus equals to. After going to that particular place, what should I do? Now I am at 0th index. What should I do? I need to check whether I have k characters. If I plus k, if I plus k is less than or equals to n minus 1. Why I'm taking n minus 1 if that is not reaching my last index? I should also take minus 1. Why I should take minus 1? Because we are using zero-based indexing. So when you are starting at zero-based indexing, you need to check for third index, which is fourth character. If it is so, you need to reverse, you need to call your reverse k function where you will reverse from I to I plus k minus 1, where you are passing an S1 array. Same thing you will copy. Else you will simply reverse. You will not reverse from I plus k minus 1. You will simply reverse till end. So this is very simple logic, guys. What I am doing here is, if I have characters to reverse first half, as you know, I can reverse first k characters or all the characters when I don't have k. Okay. So if k is 3, if I have 3 characters, I can reverse all of them. But if I have only 2, I need to reverse all the characters, right? So that's what the logic is. If I plus k, if my 0th index plus k value is 3 minus 1, okay, which is 2. If it is less than my length of the string, then I will simply reverse that particular part. Or else I'll reverse the entire string. That's all. Straightforward one. Okay. So now after this, what I will do is, let's convert this into string. String answer equal to new string of S1 and return answer. That's all. This is what we need to do, guys. Very simple one. What we did here is, we have converted it into character array. After that, we are iterating on the array. And after going to each character, we are jumping to the next window. Why we are doing so? Because for every 2k characters, we need to reverse the first k characters. Okay, that's the reason. And after going to the first k characters, if I have first k, then I'm reversing all first k characters. If not, I'm reversing the entire string from I. That's all. That's all, guys. I hope this is clear to everyone. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.